Yeah, my people, this is a very unique standard Mercedes-Benz GLK 350, 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. This car is just 3 months use from direct. This car was bought August 2025. It entered Nigeria August 2025, sorry. And it was bought, I think, 3 months ago. Can you see? Everything on the car works perfectly well. Car is steaming as I speak to you. Black on black interior, can you see? AC is chilling. Comes with this paddle shifter. Can you see? Comes with this paddle shifter. Can you see? Interior is clean, very, very clean. Just few months use. Power boot is working, as you can see. Can you see? Interior of this car is 100 over 100. Can you see it? This car engine is steaming. It comes with this unique AMG rim. AMG rim. Can you see? Let me show you the engine bay of this car. This car comes with just 120k miles. It has not been used. This car is on as I speak. Can you hear the sound? Very, very clean engine. Very, very silent engine. So contact us. Let's cut you a deal on this 2015 GLK 350. 2015 GLK 350. Can you see?